Hello everyone, how are you all? So I got very good response on my vlog. People are liking it, and please I request you guys if you can comment on my YouTube page and not tell me personally. It helps my page to grow. And yes, I will make more such vlogs. So today my plan is I have three people. I have to make them ready. One is bride and two are bridesmaid. So I will take you all along with me, and I'll try to shoot as much as I can, and I'll show you the look which I have created. So it's a very long day for me. Firstly, I have to go from Goregaon to Thane, then Thane to Juhu, then Juhu to Bandra, and then again Bandra to Goregaon. So it's like Mumbai Darshan, you all can say. So yes, this is what I'm wearing. It's a very cute little shirt dress, and I'm carrying this fanny pack. As you guys know, I love carrying fanny packs. They are so convenient. I have an habit of forgetting things, so this helps me a lot. And yes, I'll show you my whole look. So let's get going. So yes, this is what I'm wearing, and this is a cute little shirt dress, and I have to still wear my shoes, and I've just curled my hair. Nowadays I'm more into curling my hair rather than I like straight hair. So yes, that's my look. But I can't stay for long because I have another bride in the evening. It looks so beautiful. Hi guys, so I've just reached here and I have to do a cocktail look. I'll make you meet the bride in some time. So yes. Sorry I couldn't shoot much in the previous wedding because it was so much busy over there. I had so many people to make them ready and all. So yeah, I'll probably try to put pictures and all. Guys, so it's a new day and we are here at Bandra and the hotel name is Executive Enclave, and today I have to do groom's mom and there are like 10 to 15 siders, and yes, this is how it looks. This is so cute, and it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. We have just reached here and imagine no one has come yet. Everyone is sleeping. So I don't know when are they going to come. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a blazer and as usual my fanny pack and white jeans. So yes, and I forgot her name. What's your name? Isha. She's going to do for ciders, and yes, that's the setup. Our station is yet to set up, and yes, this is what I'm wearing. Hello everyone, so my team is working and I'll just show you the looks what we have created today. So yes, just give me 2 minutes. Yes, I guess she's doing her hair and her makeup is already done, and yes, her hair is looking, isn't her hair looking lovely? Just nice. Hello, did you like the look? Yeah. She's looking lovely. Guys, so our one function is done and I can't show you the look right now. I'll post pictures because some brides are very particular about showing their look and she doesn't want me to post pictures and all. So yeah, it is what it is. So I'll just show you the setup. It's very beautiful setup. yes, I'm back home and it was a very tiring day for me. And also, if you like the video, then don't forget to share and leave your valuable comments. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So, whenever I post a new video, you will get a notification. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.